Fruits and Figs here. Today, I want to talk about wild berries and a kind of berry that will grow in the shade. Most of the berries, raspberries, blueberries, they like sun, but there is a berry that will grow in the shade, and it's one that I didn't even plant. I got for free. I just recognized it and didn't rip it out along with the other weeds. So let's take a look at the salmonberry. All right, here we are, and you can see that I've got clusters of berries popping out of these branches that have, you can recognize the branches, they have a lot of very fine spines. And then the berries as well are protected by these bristly cases that pop open. You can see one right there has a green berry on the right top, and on the left you can see a berry's just beginning to ripen. These berries grew up here on their own. I didn't plant them. I just recognized them and didn't rip them out. So you can also have berries in your shade. And while the deer will eat these, they don't devastate them. I don't even have these protected. Berries for free. This cluster here, another cluster here. There's another one just about to get ripe. I'll show you in a patch of sun what they look like when they're ripe. The ones in the sun are ripening just a little bit faster. So let's take a look. And this is what salmon berries look like in full bloom. Look at that beautiful salmon color on these berries. Look at that. They don't look like they're ripe if you're thinking black raspberry, blackberry, but these are in the perfect ripeness. They start out in these fuzzy cases, and the cases pop open to reveal these beautiful berries. Now these ones are in a patch of sun right now, but they actually grow in deep shade. Amazing. Now look at these salmon berries. Beautiful salmon color, which is where they get their name. They look like they're almost not ripe raspberries, but they're as ripe as can be and sweet and wonderful. Now let me give them a taste. That is really good. This is Fruits and Figs signing off for now. If you enjoyed this video about salmon berries and planting berries in your shade, then go ahead and hit the like button and please subscribe.